Now we need to scan this check. We need a JPEG file on your desktop or somewhere. You need to scan it and keep it. So I keep already having this check into my scanner. So I keep again correctly, and same like that, keep it the top of the color paper. This always very important because we need to get correct edges. That's why. So now I'm scanning this one. A4 sheet, my requirements already I said here. It's PDF. I don't want PDF. I want JPEG. Okay. And this will be document. It's okay. And I will make it preview. Preview done already. So I can crop correctly as per my requirement. I need only for the check. That's why I keep it backside one section. Okay. Correctly I make it and I scan that one only. Scanning is finished. This is my scanned check. I just copy to desktop for to easy access. I'm taking copy into my desktop. So this also ready. Now already I have the scanned check also.